Hello everyone, I am Kshitij Singhal. I am a chartered accountant by profession and currently working in PwC. I did my graduation from Delhi University and schooling from RPVV Kishanganj. I studied accounts and maths from Sanjeev sir. I scored 99 marks in accountancy and 95 marks in mathematics in CBSE board exams. And these marks have huge contribution of Sanjeev sir's efforts also. His teaching skills are very unique and amazing that I never felt monotonous in his class. He gives proper logic behind each and every concept that it is easily grasped. And for the chapters which students think are difficult to get through, he gives easy explanation for that chapter also. And tests are also conducted by Skyline after the classes, which boost up the confidence of the students. And the study material provided by Skyline is more than enough for cracking your exams by top class marks. Like, instead of referring so many materials, if you cover his material 100%, and you can easily score between 90 to 100 in exams. And besides this, he has a unique skill of identifying strengths and weaknesses of the students. This helps the students in succeeding in many phases of the life. So at last, I want to thank Sanjeev sir for his efforts and hard work, which has made me successful today. So thank you, sir.